In this video, I'll be showing you exactly the output of the APN development. So if you are going to become an APN developer, or if you are learning and understanding APN, so how exactly an APN applications look like? Is it like an Android application? Do we have to check on the responsive behavior? So let's check an example which is already pre-given in application. This is called maintenance site. So this is an APN site, and let me give you some of the hidden features of this site. While developing the application, you don't have to take care that whether your browser and your browser size, the objects will be resized automatically, first of all. And based on your browser width, if you are accessing this site in tablet, so it will adjust the components automatically. APN does it by their own backend mechanism. You can view this site in mobile mode, and I'll show you this website in mobile mode also. Let me reload it on a different page and I'll show you how it looks on a mobile as well as a tablet. So let me give you a brief features about how the APN applications look like. Basically, APN applications are fulfilling the business requirement of B2B services and some of the real world situations. So here it is a situation where you have to register vehicles and you have to check their maintenance report, whatever the upgradations have been done, so what are the schedules of their maintenance. So you can, as a mechanic, you can like as a supervisor or a registrar, you can, based on your roles, you can access it, and you can access the entire request with the request number, that what was the exact incident that happened at the time of admission of that car, and whatever the updates that you have done. So as a business, if you are working offline, if you have a like a vehicle garage, or when you are working offline, you don't have any kind of copy or pen, and you don't have to track, you are not able to track the exact record of every vehicle coming under your shop or garage. So once you are using this business process management software, so your requirements are completely fulfilled and your customers are more satisfied, because your software is taking care of the entry and exit and updations of the vehicle. So if you are a regular customer of in any garage, so he will be taking care of all the entries that he has changed last time in the last service, and in this time he will not make any unnecessary changes which might dig a hole in your pocket. So as a customer, if a company is giving you efficient service, so that company is good. So if a company is using a software solution which is efficient, and it is solving the customer purpose, so customer is happy and the business is happy, and if both are happy, then the purpose is solved. And as a software, APN allows us to rapidly develop this, because if you are a low code automation developer, you don't have to develop each and every small thing, you just have to set it up. And if you are able to set it up, and if you are solve the purpose, then this is the best thing for rapid action, for doing rapid action and developing things on a hyperactive mode. So it will save the cost and it will save the time, and if you are going to be an APN developer, it will be an amazing journey, because myself, I am an APN developer and I am seeing things working out in a much faster way than it used to be when we used to work on native technologies like Android and React. Yet they hold some uniqueness, and they hold a different purpose in the industry. But if as a business owner, if you are having a low cost investment for developing software, and if you want to test that how it goes if I adopt a software in my the business transaction, so this is a very good try. So as a business, think about as a business owner, and with low cost you can adopt a software, and as an engineer, think about it, with less time you can develop a software and you can give it to the client without wasting any time. So this will be a win-win situation for all. So this is APN, where you can see and register vehicles. This is APN site, and you can see the task. This is the maintenance reports. This is basically example of how it looks to use an APN application. So basically this is it. Now let me give you a walkthrough about how this application looks on mobile. So let me give you an example of a mobile. So let me select a device. Let me select iPhone Pixel 2 XL. Let me reload the page. Once again, this is how an application will look on the mobile. So just see the grace that automatically it has adjusted each and everything. You don't have to take care each and everything by doing n number of codes. You don't have to put on responsive, you don't have to enable responsiveness, you don't have to do anything. APN takes care of each and every headache that a programmer thinks which is an overhead. So you can access the vehicles, everything is aligned depend based on the mobile view of the application. Now let me give you another example. So as you can see, each and everything is aligned, you don't have to take care of anything. Everything is, customized in such a way that it is mobile ready, it is laptop ready, it is web application ready, it is tablet friendly. So everything is in such a manner that you just have to focus on the utility, that what are the things you have to connect from one point to another point, what are the things that you have to take care of as a programmer, as a developer. You don't have to take care of responsiveness of the application because it is taking extra time and extra efforts. Now let me give you an example of iPad Pro. As you can see, this is the application. This is how it will look on a tablet, how gracefully it is working, as you can see, right? So I don't have any words to explain you more that how it takes care of like how APN takes care in the back end of viewing things in such a graceful manner. So let me give you an example of iPad. See how graceful things are. So this is it. This explain each and everything that why APN is so much popular these days in terms of business process management solutions. So overall, this is what an APN application look like on desktop. This is what it looks like on tablet. This is what it look like on mobile. So I have explained you an example of APN uh, software developed APN application here, and I hope you like it. If you understand my videos, do give us a thumbs up, and please like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you.